In this video, I will show you how to charge capacitor from 220 volt AC. To do it, we need 220 volt AC source, high voltage capacitor, and one diode. First, plus side of the capacitor, I will connect diode like this. Now we have to just connect them together. Here I have high voltage capacitor. This is 400 volts and capacitance is 150 microfarads. And diode. As you can see, there is a marking on right side. This means current will flow from left to right. As you can see, on capacitor there is a marking on this side. I will connect diode on other side. Like this. So other side of diode will be connected to high voltage, and other side of capacitor will be connected to high voltage. So I have wire here, other side of this wire connected to outlet. I will show you voltage on this wire. As you can see, voltage is 213 volts. Now I will connect these wires to high voltage. Now let's measure voltage on capacitor. I'll put meter on DC, and as you can see, capacitor charged 292 volts, and it's decreasing 290 volts almost. I will show you what happens if you short capacitor charged with 290 volts. I have this conductive thingy and I will short it. Wow, that was loud, and I will charge another capacitor. I have 5 high voltage capacitors here and I will charge them one by one. First, the big one. I can't see any sparks. I think it's not charged. Let's measure voltage. No, it's charged. Another one. Let's measure. Charged. Another one. I think charged, but let's measure. Charged. A little one. I hope it's not blue. Little spark. Voltage. Charged. Last one. Okay, charged. All capacitors are charged. I will show you one thing. Let's take two. I will show you one thing. Let's take two capacitors, almost 200 volts, and second, almost 200 volts. If I connect them series, voltage will be sum of these voltages. I'll connect them series and I will measure voltage on these legs. Not touching. As you can see, voltage is sum of each capacitor voltages. Let's add more capacitors to create a high voltage. Here I have 3 capacitors connected in series. Let's measure voltage. As you can see, voltage is 530 volts. Let's add another one capacitor. Here I added another one capacitor. Let's measure voltage. I accidentally discharged this capacitor. There is almost 10 volts. We don't need this capacitor, and I will add charged capacitor instead. And let's measure voltage carefully. 800 volts, almost 800 volts. Now I want to short 800 volts. I will connect this wire carefully. And where is another wire? And I will connect this wire. And it's time to short 800 volts. Let's see what happens. No big sparks. So we didn't see loudly big spark. I think that's because when you connect 2 or more capacitors in series, you will get higher voltage, but current will be low. In here we connected 4 capacitors in series. Voltage was very high, but current was low. So that's why we didn't see loudly big spark. For fun, let's just short them one by one. Wow,